governments must look at the policies, and private sector, NGOs and the donors must come in with support that gives the farmers access to technologies helping them to mitigate and adapt against climate change. For example, in our own circumstances in NASFAM, we are doing a lot of conservation agriculture using donor support so that farmers are taught that using the hand hoe is not the answer to everything, that they can actually grow a crop without cultivating the soil, leaving a lot of organic matter on the ground, using improved seed varieties that is resilient to the climate, working with the research stations to make sure that the seed that is being made available is actually not susceptible to climate change, and also using diversified cropping regimes and livestock regimes so that you have a mix. If one crop fails, if one animal enterprise fails, then you are sure that at least something else can survive. Maize is the main crop in Malawi, so we help farmers also to grow groundnuts, soybeans, but also more crops that are drought resistant like potato and cassava, so that they are adapting and mitigating against climate change. I'm most pessimistic about the international processes. The UNFCCC, they've been talking about climate change for 20 years, and they don't seem to want to come to a conclusion and an agreement of what should be done. For example, we worked very hard as we were involved in the climate change talks some 3 years back to make sure that agriculture is put right at the core of the climate change discussions. And you also what happened in Warsaw, they decided that agriculture should be on the sidelines. I don't see how anybody in their sane minds can discuss climate change without discussing agriculture. Yet they want agriculture to be discussed outside of the main talks, have a workshop, and then the results of the workshop should build into what they discuss in the climate change talk. So that is the biggest disappointment for me. The most positive thing, I think that there is hope. Smallholder farmers are working because it is about improving their livelihoods and also having an income. So they are working hard not only to feed themselves, but also to feed the world. So I think there's hope there.